Now, Pakistan, which has been trying very hard to play the role of a mediator, seems to have been given this jolt by the UAE. Now, the UAE seems to have surprised Pakistan this month by demanding an immediate repayment of $3.5 billion loans, threatening to drain a fifth of Pakistan's central bank reserves, as Abu Dhabi's anger at Islamabad's role mediating in US-Iran war has spilled into the open. Saudi Arabia has also stepped in with a $3 billion in fresh deposits and extended an existing $5 billion deposits for a year longer, deepening Riyadh's position as Pakistan's primary Gulf patron. Now, Abu Dhabi seems to have struck by more than 2,700 Iranian missiles and drones during the war, and it had signaled to Pakistan that it needs to take a harder line against Iran. Now, that seems to be the situation as far as how and what Pakistan seems to be projecting itself in, because here it seems that Pakistan, which seems to be trying very hard to play the role of a negotiator, it is nothing less than a messenger. But the UAE seems to have jolted Pakistan, saying that the money that we have loaned to you, you need to immediately repay us. And this is now nearly $3.5 billion that it has given to as a loan to Pakistan, and Pakistan literally will be left with nothing. So Pakistan already a begging bowl in its hand. Mayank, where will it go? Because as far as his brotherhood nations are also concerned, seems to be showing their back to the terror state. Mayank?
Network issue ho raha hai yaar.
I think we're just going to reconnect with Mayank on this, because we have seen how desperate Pakistan has been. It has been trying to project as the role of a peacemaker in this case, but Pakistan has now been hit with a reality check, because Pakistan, which is now under tremendous burden of the loans that it has garnered from once friendly nations are concerned, and that also was the UAE, but the UAE, which was hit hard by Iran, and now UAE wants Pakistan to stop its friendship with Iran and rather take a stand against Iran. So that seems to be the position there. Well, will Pakistan be able to repay that amount of loan? Because that will cost them a lot. In the meantime, we head into a very short break. The war updates and much more lined up on the other side. Stay tuned.